Hello, welcome to Cesim simulation game, free winning game tips, helpful tips to get top results. You can check the other video for the top 10 winning tips on the tips, but this video keep the details step-by-step guide for round 1 to round 3. The first tip is to check the unit sold last round, so that you can calculate the sales forecast I show you now. So you check before you set decision for each round, you click on the result and check the unit is sold in 3 market regions. You see that. So remember to check this number, keep track of this number, so we can calculate the sales forecast for each round in the demand. You see the market outlook here, and then you see the demand here, right? You can see the increase in the total demand for each market, and then we can calculate the sales forecast demand for each product here. This is very important. And also look at the right, you see the demand chain, the demand over the routes. And tip number 2, check the financial statement for R&D, promotion and sales and profit of each company I show you now. So you click on the result and check the financial statement. You see the company here, for example, is going up very fast, and then we can see the total sales here, compare with the top competitors here, right? So we are comparing 2 top competitors to see the variable cost, to see the contract manufacturing cost, and see, more important, see R&D cost here, and check the promotion and sales, and then we compare the profit, so we can check that before we set decision for any routes. If you have any questions, send the email to Cesim help2020@gmail.com or get the free support for round 1 and round 2. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.